Hey, good morning everyone. So it is around 6:30 a.m. and it's Friday. So I had decided initially to go to Gateway of India and capture the sunrise at this time. I even took a taxi from my hotel. But as soon as I reached Colaba, it started raining. So I told the taxi guy to turn back and let's get back to the hotel itself. There's no point, right? There's no point. I'll be capturing sunrise. So I came back, but I decided to at least capture the Marine Drive in the morning, because Marine Drive, this area still does not have rain. It is still drizzling a bit. So let's do that. I'll show you Marine Drive in the morning. It has started to rain here again. It's raining very hard now. I guess I'm going to stop shooting and maybe I'll continue once the rain stops. So it stopped raining for a while. I took some shots and I was thinking of going to Gateway of India, but again it started raining. I think the rain gods seriously don't want me to go to Gateway of India today itself. I'm tabling the plan right now. I'll go back to my hotel, rest for a while and then see how the day unfolds. I hope you like at least this part of Marine Drive. Stay tuned for more.